X-Riders event in Guadalajara, Mexico pushes ATV riders to the limit. These pros seemingly defy gravity as they soar more than 35 feet in the air with no hands or feet. But the real showstopper belongs to the ATV backflip, a trick that demands exact precision. Caleb Moore is a member of the Bomb Squad freestyling team. Today he wants to stun the crowd by pulling off a spectacular ATV backflip. But he'll end up stunning them for a far different reason. It's the X-Riders motocross freestyle event in Guadalajara, Mexico. Both quad and dirt bikes are featured in this high-flying exhibition. As a member of the Bomb Squad freestyling team, Caleb Moore's signature trick is the ATV backflip. Hitting the correct launch speed for this stunt is critical. Too fast and you'll overshoot the ramp. Too slow. Caleb doesn't hit the jump at the correct speed. His ATV only partially rotates. The 375-pound quad rolls right over him and almost takes out a crew member. Medics and team members rush in. Caleb suffers a concussion and a deep laceration to his shoulder. After 2 months in recovery, he goes on to successfully perform this same stunt all around the world.
Oh, man.